To a blank canvas, I'll make it new. With every pixel, every line, I bring to life a bold design. From Photoshop to Illustrator, I'm the dream generator. Layers stacking, tools in hand, I'm creating something grand. Let's mix the colors, feel the vibe. Typography comes alive. Creativity is in my soul, turning ideas into goals. I'm a graphic designer, watch me shine. Crafting visions, frame by frame, divine. From logos to posters, banners that gleam. Living the art, chasing the dream. Contrast, balance, symmetry, the rules of art, my philosophy. Gradient skies and textured seas, designing life as it should be. With every client, every brief, I find my art, I find my belief. From social posts to branding schemes, I'm building futures, shaping dreams. Align the elements, let it flow. Every detail's got to glow. Creativity is in my core, always reaching for something more. I'm a graphic designer, watch me shine. Crafting visions, frame by frame, divine. From logos to posters, banners that gleam. Living the art, chasing the dream. It's not just words.